Jeepneys are the backbone of the Philippines' public transportation. Countless people rely on them for everyday commuting, be it work, school, or just getting around the city. While buses, taxis, and motorcycle taxis are around, Jeeps are undeniably the superior modes of transportation in getting around the city. They come in different shapes, sizes, and varying routes: 06B, 06C, 12G, 04L, and many, many more. What they all do share in common, though, is their vibrance and unique colors. Jeepneys first began when American soldiers brought with them the so-called Willys Jeeps during the Second World War. After the war ended, many of these vehicles were left as the American soldiers returned to the United States. These Jeeps were taken by the locals who repaired them, extended the back for passenger carrying, and gave them the now unique and vibrant paint jobs, which became one of the most iconic visual identities of Filipino culture.
Unsa imong maingon sa jeepney design pagsakon na katong mga colorful pa o vibrant ang design?
I believe na it represents the kuan siya, Filipino culture good about our kuan arts and it expresses good our culture ba.
Oo, mao ni siya. Kamo man ni sa kuan sa tradition gud.
Para sa akin malaki yung yung ambag niya sa heritage ng Philippines. Kasi ever since parang siya yung trademark natin eh. Pag pumupunta yung mga foreign dito sa atin, talagang nafi-feature agad yung jeepney. Sa tingin ko nga parang sa ibang bansa yung Philippines lang yung may jeep na katulad na ganito. Iba-iba yung design. Ganun.
The culture of jeepney art began to rise. Jeepneys became moving canvases, each specifically unique to the driver, be it based on their family, a mural, character. Jeepneys became the surfaces for self-expression and a huge part of Filipino culture. Unfortunately, during recent times, with many factors adding up to this, the culture of colorful jeepneys seems to be fading away. To help us discover further into why this is, we scoured the internet for possible active jeepney artists. Adding to the time constraint and lack of connections, this was a daunting task to do so, having posted on subreddits, Facebook groups, and more. Also messaging a handful of jeepney artists, we were left hopeless as we could not get in touch with anyone in the field. Until we came across Mr. Jake Rondina. Currently in Vistamar, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City, he is being commissioned by a client living there to paint their Jeep. Luckily for us, he was kind enough to agree to be interviewed to give us a perspective into the current situation in jeepney art culture.
Ako day si Jake Rondina. Nagsugod ko rin trabaho mga 2016. Wala man tagi ko hilig ganing kuan na kay manatuay ra man ko. Nya nainganyo lang ko ba dito sa karkar ba. Ang karkar magay nag-una ning trabaho nya. Nasa ko'y nakaila dito sad nga artist sad ba. Siya mo'y nagtudlo na ko ani. Wala gito siya magtudlo nag-observe ako ba.
Pala nimo ang kanang jeepney art anang ma-attract ba ka ng mga
Oo kay
manigo?
mao ba ni siya mo'y trademark gid sa ato ba kini mga traditional nga mga jeep. So bitaw mga daghan mong mga celebrity mga ni diri kay para lang musakay ana. Silang Kobe Bryant, Vin Diesel. Mao gani lang giabay diri. Ya nakabati lang ron kay hinay lang nin trabaho tungod aning mga modern ba. Madlok na sa mga tag-iya mo pa simbol og ingon ani kay basig kuyawan na sila basig dili sila releasean sa LTFRB og franchise ba. May gani ron kay ilan na lang yung gi-consider sa LTFRB para tie up na lang ang mga jeep wala na ginagidayon ang piece out mo nang nagpadayon gyapon ni.
So unsa imong na-feel ya kanang gamay na lang ang makita nimo nga kanang mga jeep sa daan?
Kuan sad mura sad tag ma-discourage sad ba kay usa sad gud dili masagud mulungtad og dugay kung buto na ng modern good kay ang pisa lang daan na wala man sa tuwa kung mag-trouble na daghan na bitaw kay kung nakitaan nga mga modern bitaw nga daghan na kay mga nang lubog na kay wala may pisa bita man ning mga ingon ani kay naray pisa dia daggas kulon wa tay mahimo kung sakit man ka ng kuanon pero wa tay mahimo kay pagbuot man sa ni si gobyerno kad
So katong i-compare nimo ya ka ng pagsauna og karon, mas daghan ba kag nakuha nga client pagsauna or
mas daghan to sa una pero karon na balik-balik naman ni hinahinay na magbalik-balik naman tagaan na nimo sila tarong nga serbisyo mao ra mo kana mo balik ra man gina sila.
so kanang pakanimo ya kay imo ning murag ipasa sa imuhang kanang
Oo, kung naay gusto magkat-on, ako ni kuan ni mabili ni wa may bato ning kalibutan na. Patay ta. Kung naay gusto magkat-on, tudluan.
o ang kanang jeepney art ya ba kay mawa siya. Like unsa man imong ginahan mo kanang ma-remember sa mga tao.
Aw kanang at least wala man kanang at least ma-recognize nga tuwang agi nga kanang kuan niya. Natay mapakita sa maabot ba mga bagong tubo ba.
Kanang murag kanang makita lang nila
Oo.
na ay history at
Oo.
ang
Oo.
ipambuhat.
In 2017, the Department of Transportation launched the PUVMP, or Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. Several guidelines were made that unfortunately helped the decline of the colorful jeepney culture. Jeepneys that are more than 15 years old are to be phased out and replaced. Jeepney drivers no longer operate independently, meaning they operate under a cooperative. This and with more stricter design standards, which also gravely affected how a jeepney could look, essentially stripping away the culture that was the tradition for many years.
Ang ako lang kasulti sa atong unahang mga transportation sa jeepney na to, okay raman nindot kay mo manay ato ang naandan pero sa karon na natay modern jeep nindot sad kay aircon komportable ang jeep usahay good maabariya man good tungod sa iyang gidaanon.
Yung modern jeepney talaga kasi ayun, anong ayaw mo yung mahanginan yung katawan mo kasi parang gusto mo ma-aircon lang or ganun.
Culturally wise, while modern jeepneys may be the more go-to approach for people nowadays, thanks to being comfortable and overall efficient, they don't really catch your eyes as much as the traditional jeepneys. They tend to look monotonous and without the identity of our Filipino heritage. With modern jeeps slowly dominating the roads now, it can be safe to say that the traditional jeepney culture is facing a slow decline, though they still exist to this day thanks to protests and to the dismay of traditional jeepney drivers. They face the challenge of potentially being replaced any day.
Tagaan lagi do kanang value ang kanang trabaho. Tarong kung silbi passion gid ba nga mao na gid ni ba kung bati og resulta ang kuan piktahan ang imong trabaho wad anog salig ni mo ang tagiya ano tarong mo gid og na gid og trabaho nga kuan dayon lang gud